wayekhuphile lo mbhemu.
Izi siphethe ngohlelo sikhaba easy ngathi sidlala nomtennis champagne aphophala ngathi maningi kakhulu bazokwenza isekisi ngoba ide uthola la ngoba inandi sihluphe kwaze kwafa amafenish ngabe ngisheshe ngafika egamini manje inkinga nami ngisagibela amatekisi how much you paying mawufuna ifeature ngoba kudala ngicula ngisadlala emagaming be finesse and I do it easy mina nezami isigule ngathi sidle pennies stay locked in trying to figure if niggas hating cause the cloud they looking get me an answer I tell them niggas be pausing by shooting and empty the mag. Oh, I see. You give me a look of a white man when they know they already go po-pos. And they time sipping on vodka. So when I hop on a stage, go loco. And when 100 niggas go right, I wanna go left. My G, no FOMO. And Petanam, which will ain't tease. Banda my dollar when a nigga ride solo.
No, I don't think it will change if the youth...
Wow. Hot shit, hot fire.
Voids.
Hot fire. What? So wait, what did you say the name of the EP was again?
EP Lengai release. It's called the Flights Mode EP Deluxe. But Lengo maybe.